LED humidifiers for home large room bedroom 5L big capacity portable ultrasonic warm and cool mist air humidifier adult. Sleep mode Humidistat timer essential oil whisper quiet with filter. When I accessed the ratings on this, it only had ratings for a card. Didn't make any sense. This humidifier is great. You can set it for warm or cold mist. You can set it for the percentage of output. You can set it to turn off automatically. It holds plenty of water and is easy to fill, a little heavy when full, but it has a handle to carry. It is very nice looking. So quiet, you have to see the mist to make sure it's running. Too bad the ratings got mixed up, but I liked how it looked and went to the website and decided to buy. This is by far the best all-around humidifier on the market. I investigated all the best ones for 2021 and none of these can match this one. Allows me to decide the levels of vapor I want and for any amount of time I want. Fully digital, and it can also be controlled by its own remote control. If you're looking for a great humidifier, LED humidifiers should be your first choice. Cute card. Husband loved it. Overall, this is the best humidifier I've ever had, hands down. The only issue I have with it is the hot and cold mist settings. Either my unit is broken, or there just is no such thing as warm mist. Super cute card with funny dad humor. I gave the card to my dad and he and I had a laugh together. Laughing and having fun moments with family is the best. Pleasantly surprised to find this online. Wasn't able to get out to the store, but still got a cute card. I love this model. The design is handsome. Doesn't take up too much space. It just works. If you keep it on high, as I almost always have to, you'll have to refill this unit like twice a day. But it's worth it. This is a nice little unit. Buy it. You will be happy with it. I have 2 of these. And I got lucky because I bought them at yesterday's price, which was $20 less than it is now. And I bought the 4-year protection plan as well. I hope this review helps some of you to feel safe in your decision-making process. Good luck to all of my brothers and sisters out there. Take care. This is a good buy. I regretted returning this unit. However, to refill this unit you need to remove diffuser lid. Then with the small rigid handle lift tank off base. Take to sink. Flip tank 180 to reach filler lid. Sometimes that was difficult to twist off. Once the tank was filled, add cap was screwed back on. There was considerate amount of water to wipe up. Enclosing the tank handle and tank edges, annoyingly sharp edges. LED humidifiers for home large room bedroom 5L big capacity portable ultrasonic warm and cool mist air humidifier adult. Sleep mode Humidistat timer essential oil whisper quiet with filter. LED humidifiers for home large room bedroom 5L big capacity portable ultrasonic warm and cool mist air humidifier adult. Sleep mode Humidistat timer essential oil whisper quiet with filter. Very easy to program and operate. Arrived quickly from Amazon and is used nightly AAA+++. Loved the way you could set all controls and they are the default settings. While it worked, it was wonderful, but then even though it had power, it suddenly stopped with no mist coming out even though still plenty of water. Great customer service. They sent us a brand new humidifier. It is working fine. It helps so much with our quality of sleep. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.